Alright, hey, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Apparently I've not posted in a while, and I took a few weeks off just to enjoy some summer, and months off actually. And I hope everybody did as well, and hope everybody had a nice, safe summer. Getting back into the swing of things here, and I am actually just letting some paint dry on the floor here. And I was wondering what everybody else was doing as far as this year is concerned. I, in a normal year, normally try to space out the kiddos the best that I can in the gym because open space keeps me safe. And typically I go ahead and throw down some hula hoops every year, and I use a nice little Sharpie and make some spots on the floor so everybody can find their safe stars in the gym. Besides that, I don't really have any other plans as far as keeping the kiddos spaced out. I'm hoping to keep everybody as safe as possible. But as I'm letting some paint dry here, I thought I'd make this video and throw some things out to you guys and see what you were doing, maybe different, or something that you do every single year that helps you keep some good space in the gym. Again, hope everybody has a good start of the year. I'm gonna keep letting some paint dry and make some spots on my floor. Take it easy, have a good day.